when I enter into the field, the unity field, um, uh, conceptually, it seems like I should be able to feel and know what you are experiencing, like through your senses or Cavi's or anyone else here, that or the plant, the oak tree. Like I should have, because I get it. I get this, like, oh, this unity, this awareness thing. I get, I feel it as I can reside there. In the sense of, okay, yes, yes, that. Why, as that, can I not also enter into other forms experiences?
Because you are the singularity through which everything is known, everything through that singularity.
Mm.
You can only have
And
the singular, even within the unity, you only have the singularity of your own experience in that, your own knowing. That knowing can only take place in you. It's that the totality is known in the singularity. You can't have the experience of another. You can't have an experience within you on behalf of another.
and therein maybe there's a koan, because it's like the me that would have that experience, how is that any different than the one that is having all the experiences?
The me that is having that experience.
Yeah, I guess yeah, the me that is having the experience of singularity,
Yeah.
um why is it not having, um I don't understand why it can't localize somewhere else.
The experience from the perspective of the unity is not a localization, therefore it cannot have another localized experience. The plant is having its own localized experience, the other person is having its own localized experience. So you can't have a localized experience and an unlocalized experience. Yeah, you can't have the multiplicity of localizations all as your experience. You can experience what is being experienced within the field that comes through your singularity, but you can't have it on behalf of another localization.
Isn't it wild that there's singularities at all?
On some level, yes, in the sense that the one can only know itself through that singularity.
Yeah,
It cannot know itself through its own unity because there's nothing to know in that.
right.
So it's
And
almost like, let's put it in this way, infinity has to appear to localize, which is an appearance, either you or me or anything else, yeah, has to appear, yeah, as a singularity in order to be able to reflect back on its source and come to know infinity. But infinity itself
Mhm,
can't and doesn't need to know anything. It is beyond knowing.
mhm.
Yeah? This is simply we could say the play of existence, because without singularity, without localizations, without appearances, without the finite, there'd be nothing that exists. There'd be simply be the one that doesn't even know itself as the one. So that's nothingness. I mean, really, no existence. Well, there wouldn't be anything, but there is something. Yeah, there are appearances. Yeah, there is life. There is the world. There are galaxies. There is the universe.
Mhm,
It does
mhm.
blow the mind, yes.
And it also, I'm aware of how it invites there to be an experience of not taking this particular localization so seriously.
Yes, that can also be a relief, an unburdening.
Right, because it's just one little dip of experience that, for whatever reason, the one has decided it's gonna do
Yeah.
this person for a while called Robin.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. And Robin is on this path of inquiry and inner contemplation and asking the question, who am I, in various forms, in order for that infinity to know itself through you
Mhm. So
as
satisfying.
it's actually not about you, but it's about infinity itself. But you're the vehicle for that, as I am the vehicle for that, as everyone is the vehicle for that, should they wake up to that. Yeah.